Hi everybody, this is Sam at Hunter's Design Studio, and my lovely assistant Erin and I have decided to take a run through Ikea with a camera and show you some of the really fun things that you can use to organize your studio. So you're going to be seeing a lot of me, but you might be hearing some of her. So let's go. One of the things to focus on when you come to IKEA is all the little rooms and vignettes that they've already set up, because they've done this to, number one, showcase their stuff, but also to give you a look at how efficiently a lot of their stuff works. So if your studio is quite small and you still need a desk in it, consider this setup. It's a desktop, a couple of legs, good old Kallax. We're going to see a lot of this guy. Kallax comes in all sorts of configurations of 1s and 2s and 3s, and they make so many different things that fit in the Kallax: drawers, doors, slidey outy thingies, and whatnot, all the baskets. The one thing that I will tell you about Kallax to pay attention to, though, is it doesn't have a back. And we're going to see something else that does have a back that you can use instead if you want it. So these are the rooms that I always love to look in at IKEA. This is where they've really outfitted 600 square feet, which is a small studio apartment. And so they've maximized the amount of storage that you can stuff into it. Always worth a look for creative options. This is an alternative shelving to, say, one of the bookcases. Very customizable. You can see all the little holes here. One of the things I like about this kind of shelving is whatever you've got on your back wall shows through. It's not like a solid mass of furniture. And obviously they make things that fit in it really, really well too. I'm not sure if these would eventually bow if they had a ton of weight on them though. Can't really tell. But again, look at all the options they have to be able to customize them. And if we turn around here, take a look. That's Ikea again, those squares that have backs with the doors on them, and they're mounted up high. And then there's a drawer version of it mounted here. So again, if you were storing something in your studio that you didn't need a whole lot of access to, it would certainly be easy enough to pop them up here. Oh, they've got the really great springy latches on them too. Isn't that fun? I love those. And usually back here, yeah, okay, so this is an office. And this storage, this is the Billy bookcase. This is a Billy with doors. This is what, I think it's like not even 9-10 inches deep. I cannot remember this dimension. It's 11. It doesn't take up a whole lot of room coming into your room. And this is the most customizable thing they make here. This is the shorty. You've got one that goes double the height. You can buy extra shelving for it, and you can buy an extra topper that takes it even higher for it. You can get doors, you can get clear doors, you can get closed doors. And again, here we've got the little shelves. See how these are smaller, but I like those other brackets better, right? They don't get, visually they don't interrupt as much. I think these are fine. I like the other ones. If you like little cubbies, and these are supposed to be painted, and I've had one of these, and if you don't paint it, eventually it gets grubby. It gets grubby from your hands. Small desk. One way to maximize a bit more of a small desk is just a small shelf above it. Looks really good. And look over here, how we've hung up an ironing board that we don't want to have out all the time. Okay? So always take a look in the tiny bedrooms and the tiny apartments in IKEA, because you'll get a lot more out of them. Ooh, I haven't seen this. This is a big version of the basket. This basket fits really well 3 across in its little shape. In the Billy bookcase, we'll find some more later on. But I didn't realize they'd made a large one. Look at that. Oh, and a version with a carrying handle and a separator in it. What could be in there? Sometimes you find the container and then you find the object that belongs in it. So this is a couch that has storage underneath it, and that's what it's called right there. And I'm not gonna even try it. Okay, so if you take a look at the couch, this section will come out so it could actually be used as a sleeper. And they very carefully have done this underneath it so that you can store anything you might need to turn it into a bed or hide things. We can hide fabric under here, friends. And if you are still a child at heart, have a look at this guy. What is this? Trofast. And you can have all the bright colored drawers you like. Ooh, more drawer separation bits. Look at that. Well, I'm impressed.